Hi everyone, welcome back to EnvyWigs. My name is Amber and today we are going to dive into one of Envy's most elegant and timeless styles. This is the gorgeous Chelsea by EnvyWigs. If you have been looking for that sophisticated shoulder length cut with incredible versatility, you are going to love this review. This piece is not only stunning, but it's made with our exclusive EnvyHair blend. This gives you the freedom to heat style just like BioHair. I'll be showing you color, cap details, and why the Chelsea wig is a must-have classic. Chelsea is a timeless, elegant shoulder length cut. You do have the shoulder length, but she gets a little bit longer right at the front. A little bit A-line, as you can see. I love how those very slight layers and this nice cut frames the face beautifully, still keeping that sleek, classic vibe. Now let's talk about the length and movement of Chelsea. The front of Chelsea is 15.5 inches. Your crown is 12.25 inches. The sides are 10.75 inches, and your nape is 5.75 inches. Take a look at the beautiful flow and density of this Chelsea wig. You have medium density, but it looks very natural and sleek. You just get the hair of your dreams. Plus, with that hand-tied construction, it moves and feels like real hair. She weighs about 4.8 ounces, so nice and light for all day wear. Now let's quickly do a color spotlight. I am wearing the beautiful sparkling champagne. Here is a close-up of that gorgeous color. This is a beautiful rooted blonde with dimension. You have ash, golden, and champagne blonde tones all blended together. The soft rooting makes it look very realistic, natural, and flattering. A rooted shade can really help blend with natural hairlines and darker brows. Now I'm going to remove Chelsea and show you guys the amazing cap construction. There's an ear-to-ear lace front for a seamless, natural hairline. You can pull this hair off the face and it looks like it's growing straight out of your scalp. The monofilament top gives you multi-directional parting ability. These are also individually hand-tied hairs. You can part this wig wherever you'd like, and it looks like natural growth. This is fantastic for creative styling and really wearing the hair as if it's your own. The rest of this cap construction is fully hand-tied. So yes, the entire thing is fully hand-tied, making it very natural, very light, and very comfortable. With that fully hand-tied cap construction, the movement is very realistic. Okay, let's put her back on and show you guys a full 360 of Chelsea. Let's take a look at Chelsea from all angles. Okay, now one of the things that sets Chelsea apart from the rest is the exclusive EnvyHair blend. This is 30% human hair and 70% heat-friendly synthetic. So what does that mean? Well, it means you get the best of both worlds. You can straighten, curl, and blow dry Chelsea. You can make this style all your own. And unlike 100% human hair, you have style retention. That's right, it will hold the style like your synthetic wigs until you restyle again. Plus, you get the silky softness and movement of human hair without the high maintenance. Chelsea is a great style if you're looking for something timeless, elegant, and professional. Whether you're wearing her for work, a night out, or everyday chic, she's super versatile and great for anyone. If you are new to wigs, the lace front and the full monofilament top make it super beginner friendly. If you are experienced, you'll really appreciate the EnvyHair blend and all the options it gives you. If you've been considering a classic, longer shoulder length cut, EnvyWigs Chelsea might be your next favorite. I absolutely love the sparkling champagne color and the way this Chelsea wig moves. Now don't forget to like and subscribe if this was helpful, and go follow us on our social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any wig reviews and styling tips to come. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, we'll see you later. Bye!